Hi guys, so I'm about to eat my dinner. It's a very good meal, so let's see it. Sorry, I don't have to yell. Alright, yeah, this is the meal. A chicken, right? I'll post the tutorial how to do this video. This very good meal. My dad made it. 아니야. 이거 가스도 하드나 가스는 요지. 아. 지금 이제 좀 웃음 좀.
대체 하이프 있지.
It's very hot and it's inside. And also I got some sweet seaweed and what do you call this? Rice. The spicy rice and the no spicy. Let me try spicy 한번 잡아줄래? I'm done. And now there no spicy. As I said, this is a very good meal. And sorry, I don't have to yell.